Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set a password for a Jitsi Meet meeting step by step. Adding a password helps protect your meeting by making sure only people with the correct password can join. So let's get started. First, open Jitsi Meet in your web browser or mobile app and start a new meeting or join a meeting where you have host or moderator permissions. Once the meeting is running, make sure everyone you want to invite has the meeting link. Next, open the Security panel or click the More Actions menu, depending on the version of Jitsi Meet or the server you're using. Look for an option called Add Password, Meeting Password, or a similar security setting. Now click the Password option and enter a strong password that's easy for your invited participants to remember, but difficult for others to guess. I mean, use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols if your server allows it, then save or confirm the password. Once the password has been applied, anyone who tries to join the meeting will need both the meeting link and the correct password. Be sure to send the password only to trusted participants using a secure method, such as a private message or email. Keep in mind that password protection depends on the Jitsi server you're using. Some public or organization-managed servers may disable this feature or replace it with security options like a waiting lobby or moderator approval, and that's it. You now know how to set a password for a Jitsi Meet meeting and improve the security of your online conferences. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in